What's up, anime crazy? And it's your boy Peter here, and we back with another video. And today, I just got my first anime sword. It's right here. This thing is taller than me sitting down. And I just wanted to say, this is really awesome. I waited 2 whole weeks for this. And packaging is great. Amazon. The link will be in the description down below to get this. And yeah, you see I'm wearing my Naruto shirt. You're like, Naruto doesn't have a sword. Is he crazy? I know. I couldn't find the character. I didn't have the shirt that matches this character in this anime. All you know is that this is from Naruto. There's the hint. And today we got the unboxing pen. So, oops. So let's open this right up. And of course, there's always more packaging. Dang, this thing is long. And you know what this is, right, guys? It's Sauskeu's grass cutter. This is actually really heavy. The way this is shaped is awesome. You have the family symbol on both sides. Pretty long. This is a cane. It's not just the best part, it's just. Ooh! Oh my gosh. This sword is so awesome, guys. Whoa, look what it did to it. Pretty dusty. I think it's oily, so it wouldn't rust. This thing took a super long time. So this is not like well. I mean, this is like long as my. It's as long as my whole. Oh my gosh, guys! This thing is as long as my whole arm. The sheath is awesome. But the sword is not necessarily evenly weighted. So you would be like, so if you were like in a fight, you wouldn't be able to do a cool anime thing where they just go like this. It would just go like this. And the person's dead. You'd have to be like, 1 second. 1 minute, guys. Alright, I'm ready. This thing is awesome though. It's almost like a 2-handed sword, like. I mean, this thing looks just like his sword. And the tip is not, this blade is not really sharp, so that's good. And I'm not sure. Yeah, but the sheath is light, but this is like in my hand, and it's not really good, well balanced. It's like all the way up here. And if you had a sword that was heavy like this, you would be the most underestimated character in the entire anime. I think you can put it in either way. No, you have to put it in a specific way. Yeah. But this thing is actually really awesome. My first anime sword. And keep watching. I mean, not keep watching the video. Keep watching the channel. Then you'll see more swords. Ugh, that metal smell. Let's see what this thing do. I opened it backwards. How do you open a sword backwards like that? I put it in. I meant to turn it around. greatest way you can get stab test. Alright, that's the sword for you. And remember, the link is going to be in the description down below. And y'all probably see this again this week. So put on that post notification. I'm not sure if you have any shout-outs. I haven't looked yet on my video I did a few days ago. And the sword needs to be cleaned. But other than that, it looks pretty awesome. And I'm pretty sure this is full blade. It doesn't seem like it. Not bendy, because that means it's a really good sword. Well, see you guys later. Peace.